I start the day by waking up just like any other. I then get dressed and have a fulfilling meal with a coffee. After all of this, I'm ready to begin working. I start doing this by checking my emails. Every day I try to send a part of my script to potential employers. As a screenwriter, I'm responsible for creating scripts for adverts, short films, and television shows. Sometimes I have to look for work myself, which can make my job a little bit harder. Writing can take both quite a lot and quite a little time. It changes every day within different time frames. I always start my writing by editing what I did the day before. I spend usually up to an hour rewriting the work that I've done, reading notes about the characters, themes and plot that I'm yet to include. Eventually, I become tired and worn out, so I take a short break. During this time, I like to exercise, meditate and read. After all of this, I like to read out my script to my family members and friends. When I'm done, they give me their opinions on storylines and characters, telling me what and what not to change. I like to write notes on their feedback and take their ideas, writing it into my plot lines, of course. To become a professional screenwriter, you may need some qualifications. This includes getting a high-scoring English GCSE, attending film school, or getting a creative writing degree.